I found a very, very special product. I think I found probably the most unique beard care product I've ever come across. This beard care product is made by Fettle. They're a small UK based company owned by two guys, Stu and Danny. I've met Stu, he's awesome. He's got one of the best beards and he's got one of the best beards and mustaches around. And their product that I think is the most unique is their beard conditioner. Now this isn't a beard conditioner like any others. You probably think of a beard conditioner as in a wash product. So a product that you put in instead of shampoo, like a co-wash. A conditioning product that you put in the shower into your beard and rinse it off. No, this isn't what this product is. This product is almost balm-like in nature. It almost looks like Vaseline, but there's no horrible paraffin, petroleum sort of stuff in this product. It's all natural. It's made from very high-grade lanolin, which is pretty much sheep gland serum. Lanolin is actually an incredible ingredient. Lanolin is probably the closest match to sebum, which is what we produce, humans produce, in our skin glands. That's what we release to repair and nourish our own skin. And lanolin is just a wonderful animal product. So this isn't any good if you're a full-on committed vegan, in the sense that you don't wear leather products, you don't use any cosmetic products that are animal-based. This is 100% animal-based product, but it's a special product. And I so highly recommend the beard conditioner from Fettle. It did wonders to my actual skin. Like any leftovers I applied over my face, it instantly soothed any cracked skin. I suffer with quite oily and dry skin, so I'm prone to spots, acne outbreaks, cracking of the skin, and this actually worked wonders. I've not used it for a little while and I can't wait to start using it. I think if I wanted to, I'd quite happily use the beard conditioner as my sole product for the rest of my life. It's that good. Now, it also has one other ingredient in it, which is meadow foam oil. I'm not going to even pretend that I know too much about this, but I'll go into a little bit more detail in the individual review videos for each of these beard conditioners. I'd just recommend going over to Fettle, checking them out. They're not the cheapest products in the world, I'll be perfectly honest. If you're on a budget, you're probably not going to be able to afford these products. You're looking at least £20 for one jar tin of the stuff. But it's going to last you a long time and it's going to do wonders for your skin, your beard, and you're just going to look absolutely incredible when you use this as your everyday beard care product. I'll see you very soon, my friends. Goodbye.